Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Weekly. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of graphics programming with a focus on Vulkan, an exciting topic for anyone interested in game development, visual effects, or computer graphics in general. Now let's kick things off with a bit of background. Vulkan is a powerful API that offers developers unparalleled access to graphic hardware and has gained popularity for its performance and versatility. It's actually a low-level API, meaning it gives developers more control over the graphics pipeline compared to higher-level APIs. But what does that mean for game developers and graphics programmers? I recently stumbled upon a treasure trove of resources on GitHub, specifically the NVIDIA Samples repository. This collection showcases a series of practical examples using Vulkan, designed for both newcomers and seasoned programmers. So, let's explore some key examples that stood out. First up, we have the VK Minimal Latest. This sample is like the hello world of Vulkan programming. It's a minimal self-contained example showcasing best practices. And get this, it's all in a single file. That's right, no complicated frameworks to navigate through, just pure Vulkan goodness. Next, there's the VK LOD clusters. This sample digs into continuous level of detail, which is essential for rendering distant objects without overwhelming our graphics cards. Imagine you're in an open-world game like Witcher 3, and you glance at a mountain range far in the distance. That's LOD in action, improving performance while maintaining visual fidelity. Quite fascinating, right? Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The VK Video Samples. This showcases how Vulkan can handle video rendering, an area that's rapidly growing due to the demand for immersive experiences in gaming and beyond. Think streaming your favorite game or movie in stunning quality without lag or loss of detail. And what about animation? The VK Animated Clusters sample uses a specific Vulkan extension to create animated meshes for ray tracing. It's an excellent demonstration of how animation and graphics rendering can work together to create lifelike characters and environments. Picture a horror game where shadows play tricks on your mind, the kind of stuff that keeps you up at night. As we uncover these samples, it's evident that Vulkan is not just about graphics, it's about creating experiences. These tools empower developers to craft immersive worlds that draw players in and keep them engaged. So, before we wrap up today's episode, let's ponder this. With the increasing demand for better graphics in video games and applications, do you think traditional game engines like Unity and Unreal will slowly make way for deeper, more customized experiences through Vulkan? I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, that's all for today's deep dive into Vulkan and its capabilities. Remember to check out the NVIDIA Samples on GitHub for more hands-on resources. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Weekly. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and discussions. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.